Swimmers and sea bathers are urged to avoid swimming between channels created by buoys installed at beaches across the island by the Coastal Zone Management Unit. The buoys are being used to allow water sports vessels to traverse to and from the water sports area without interference to beach users. The corridors aim to enable Barbadians to swim and sail safely and promote order while engaging in activities involving the water sports communities. Persons are encouraged to adhere to this warning and avoid using these channels for their safety and that of the water sports operators.